Back at Eastland, we got room 901. This time, Dada got a room with one big bed na lang because before, even if we get a room with 2 beds, lahat kami nagsisiksikan pa rin sa 1 bed. Is this cheaper?
Yeah.
At least cheaper.
Actually, wala na rin available yung tubig.
Okay. Kasi nga, Holy Week season and this is right after Holy Week. I'll show you. Malaki siya. Ang laki ng area dito, pwede kami magsayawan. Tapos yung TV mas malaki rin. We're on our 5th night here in Cebu and we transferred rooms 901 and we transferred here to 903. Yay! Para Taz will have his own bed.
Yay. But where's Taz?
Yung una kasi nakuha ni Dada dahil fully booked, 1 bed lang. This is cozy, looks like the other rooms before. Pero feeling ko this is a little bit lang smaller and more cozy and cute. Tsaka kaya sobrang lamig din ng kwarto. Yung 901 kasi it's not as cold dahil napakalaki. Oh my God, what is this monster kid doing? We have a view. A view of the city. Huh?